Sleeping is good. I should certainly hope so, Midnight. Although I don't recommend sleeping and flying simultaneously. Too many trees, telephone poles, other birds.
Auntie Robin, please sing so Grandpa Grizzly will wake up.
All right, Sally. How about this old chestnut?
Okay, I'm awake. Gee.
Oh yeah? Prove it.
Well, okay.
I believe him.
Everyone's a critic.
We want to hear a story. And a song, too.
Well, all right then. How about a story and a song all rolled into one?
Yeah.
Well, okay, now all we need is a band. Simon?
Hello.
Spike? And Digger?
Whoa, who are you?
Only the hottest band in all of Forest, man. We're
Endangered species.
Cause you can't touch this.
Hold it.
Honey.
Hold it.
what's up there?
We're always
Johnny,
I'm a porcupine. I was born this way.
Oh, brother. Okay, let's take it from the top.
Now listen as the forest tells you how to make a song.
And if you feel the grateful spirit, you might just sing along.
Now every story begins with a once upon a time. And songs are really stories told in rhythm and in rhyme. I suppose we'll need a hero and a scout who'll lead the way. And let's just set the scene as we let the story play. So we start off on a journey to some wooded greenery. But you chew the scenery. We're searching for adventure, we just don't know what kind. But open to suggestions, who we meet, what do we find? Any suggestions, anyone?
Perfect answer, and count as short, please. Let me some of my fine friends say hello to the bees.
Bees? Are you crazy, lady?
Oh, I thought you loved bees.
Oh, wrong there.
He's alright, but not the adventure I was hoping for.
Well now, aren't you a buzzkill?
How about a camping trip to drive away the blues?
Where will the fire?
And then a boom!
I thought birds could predict the weather.
We can! It's going to storm! And then clear up immediately.
Camping isn't my idea of adventure. Besides, when you live in the forest, everyone is camping.
Whoa.
How about a hike on Shaker?
Oh, now you're asking for trouble.
I say we make a magic forest full of
But how did the bubbles...
This is Rumbling Rock Hollow, my boy. Anything can happen.
Wait, you promised to tell us about the season.
Ah, yes, the seasons. This will require a little magic.
Magic?
Yes.
Magic?
It's the heart and soil of the forest, containing all its wisdom and history. Yes, story dust. Now, once upon a time, there were not 4 seasons, but only 2.
Only 2?
And a mighty confusing time it was.
Here, I'll show you. Story dust, work your magic. Picture this. A long, long time ago, there was only summer and winter. And it was a most confusing time, because for days on end, it would be summer.
Sunny, fuzzy, yummy, scrumptious, toasty, leafy, woody green summer.
And the very next day,
Chilly, frosty, billowy, windy, icy, cold winter. Ooh!
Whoa, that's so bad.
well, let me put it to you this way. Fellas, imagine one fine summer day. You turn your head, it's cold and gray. Imagine that. Okay, now you try one. You're basking in the sunny glow. Then you wake up under a blanket of snow. Sun showing off for a tourist on vacation. Without any warning, hibernation. Then you wake up in a zoo. Imagine that. Now, changing seasons isn't bad, y'all.
Change is good, as long as it's
Gradual.
So how did they ever fix the season?
That I can tell you in just one word. Betty.
Betty.
Wait, who's Betty? Whoa, who's that, Grandpa Grizzly?
That's the CALI. Everybody, meet Miss Betty the Bunny.
the elusive and rare white-sided jackrabbit. Mexican.
You call? I can dance it.
We're at the part of the story when we're having trouble getting winter and summer together.
And where there's trouble, you'll find them.
Oh, I can believe that.
Now give me a beat, something with a new style. And I'll tell you what we did to get these two shy seasons together. Okay, we're going to meet everyone else. That is you, and you, and you. CALI and midnight. You want to know about the first?
Oh, yeah. Excellent.
Now when I think about winter, that is why you will see the word Leo, and then you will see Leo. Let's try. All together now. Leo. Wonderful. Now when I think about summer, midnight, one and you are sing. I want you to sing caliente.
That is hot.
Let's try it.
Caliente!
Perfect! And now I'll show you how we serenaded the two seasons. Everybody, move their bodies!